Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to turn off Snapchat location. Open your Snapchat app. After you open your Snapchat, you can find your profile icon in the top left corner. So, you need to tap on it. Next, you need to click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down a bit and here you can find see my location option. So, now you need to click on it. Then you can find this ghost mode option in here. So tap on it to turn off your location. Now you can see a message will pop up in here and click on this option in until turned off. Now you have successfully turned off your location on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.